Hey there, folks. Nurse Attorney Nick Webb from BalestraWebb Healthcare Law. And today our question is, what do I need to pay attention to when looking for malpractice insurance? Part one. So frequently my clients will call me for a consult and say, Nick, what do I need to look at when I'm examining my malpractice insurance quote or my actual malpractice insurance policy? It's a really good question. And so we're going to do a multi-part series on this, but one of the most important questions that you have to look at is, in your malpractice insurance policy, does it give you, the clinician, the decision as to whether or not you'll settle a malpractice insurance claim or not? That's really important for a variety of reasons, but the number one reason, right, is number one, you might want to clear your name. You might think that you're not liable. You don't think that you should settle because you're adamant that you didn't do anything wrong. And in that case, you want to be the one to determine whether or not you should settle, or you actually take it to trial and fight it in court. So that's one. But a much more likely scenario is if you are a clinician and you have to settle for an amount. In California, depending whether it's the Board of Nursing, Board of Medicine, etc., could be $10,000, $30,000, etc. There's thresholds that you actually have to report to your respective state clinical board if you have a malpractice settlement. So if you reach X number of dollars, your insurance company actually has to, by law, mandatorily report that to your state clinical board. And so then you have to go get an attorney, and you have to pay somebody, and you have to go through all of the stress. Well, maybe the board's going to investigate my settlement, even though I didn't do anything wrong. And unfortunately, we've represented clients who have had to go through that. So what we recommend is, when you're able to, make sure that you put yourself in the driver's seat when it comes to determining whether or not you're going to settle. And if you can't find that in your insurance policy, ask your insurance provider. They should be able to walk you through that. And if that still doesn't work, reach out to us for a consult. We'd be happy to go through your malpractice insurance or quote